If you have been uploading your video on YouTube by using the method public, yes, I think that might be the reason why you're not getting views on YouTube. Yes, we have so many methods of publishing your videos or posting your videos on YouTube to get more views, more subscribers, and the watch hours that you need to monetize your YouTube channel. Yes, we have so many ways of posting. As I said it earlier, you can use YouTubestudio.com. That's the main website that can help you to upload or publish your YouTube video on YouTube. Yes, others are still using YouTube app or the YouTube Studio application. Yes, and I think that's not the right way. So today I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube, how to post a video the right way. Yes, new YouTubers has been using public, unlisted, private. Yes, we have the best one that will help you to get more views on YouTube. My name is Daniel, and it's about how to grow your YouTube channel and how to get more views, get more subscribers, tips and tricks to grow your channel. Yes, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Yeah, so now let's dive right into it.
Yeah, so we have three sets visibility here, and another one is attached to it, making four. So we have public, unlisted, and private. Yes, public, unlisted, and private. So when you read under the public, have anyone can search for and view. So it means anybody can watch your video. Yes, and it's also searchable. Yes, it's also searchable. So anyone can see it, and it also appears in the search and also recommended by what YouTube. Yes, so if you upload your video using the method public, that's how the videos appears on YouTube. Yes, anybody can watch the video. Yes, this is not private, this is not unlisted. Anybody can watch the video. YouTube presents it straight away. I hope you get it clear. Yes, so your videos will be uploaded to the YouTube, and it will also be recommended to the right audience. We also have unlisted. So when you upload your videos using unlisted, is it anyone with the link can view? Yes, so when you upload your video in unlisted, if you send the link to another people, they can view through the link. But if they don't have the link, they cannot get access to your video. Yes, they can't get access to your video. Yes, so that's how the unlisted also goes. So let's assume I have created a video about how to prepare jollof rice. Yes, so when I upload a video using the unlisted method, if I want to share the video for others to also benefit from my video, I have to send the link to them so that they can also watch the video through the link that I sent to them. Yes, so when you upload your video using the unlisted, anyone with the link can watch the video. This video is not public. Yes, not anybody can see. It's only those who have the link of that particular video. Yes, and we also have private. And when we talk about the private, it's that only people you choose can view. Yes, only people you choose can view. So you can invite others to also watch your video. Yes, you can select peoples. You can also send your videos to them so that they can also watch the video. So only you and the other people you invite can watch the video. Yes, yes. So if you invite others, they can also watch your video with the private method of publishing what your videos on YouTube. Yes. So if you upload your video using the private method, not anybody can see. Yes, because it's private. It's only you and those you invite on your channel can get access to that particular video. Yes, that's how that one goes. Yes, so private method, it means only you and people you invite on your channel can watch that particular video. Yes, yes, can watch that particular video. You also have schedule. So the schedule means let's assume you want YouTube to possess your video to the right audience. Yes, this is the main one. Yes, so you want your video to reach the right audience, then I'll urge you to use the set visibility, which is what schedule. Yes, and schedule is under private, public. Yes, schedule is under public. Yes, and I think that's the best one. Yes, public is under schedule. Yes, so you can schedule your video. Let's assume today is 23rd April 2025. I can schedule my video, and when you are scheduling your video, please, let's assume you want to post the video tomorrow. You want to post the video tomorrow. You have to schedule the video today and set the time tomorrow. So if today is 23rd, tomorrow will be 24th. Don't schedule your video maybe today and today nah, you upload your video. No, don't do that. Yes, yes. So you have to schedule your video to what maybe 24 hours later before the YouTube can what recommend your video to the right audience. For that one, they know everything about the video. They know your title, they know your description, and they also know what your thumbnail. Yes, so they can recommend your video to the right audience. Yes, that one is for schedule. That one is for schedule. So this is how to post your video on YouTube to reach the right audience, to get what the accurate video you want, to get the exact subscribers and the exact watch hours that you want. And also, if you want more watch hours, you have to also know all these things before you publish your video on YouTube. So these are some of the things that you have to take note of them before upload your video on YouTube. So this is the right way, yes, the right way to upload your videos on YouTube to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. It is simple and does not require any complicated step. So share this video to others so that they will also benefit from this particular video. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and also share. So whenever we release a new video, you will be notified.